Good morning, children. The study of weather condition is known as the meteorology. Means the study of weather. The persons or the peoples or the machines that will study the weather condition is known as a meteorology. Meteorology helps science and the persons who were study the weather that help them to predict the weather likely to be how this will be occurred. Okay, and children, if we know a day will be a bright and a sunny, we will dress lightly and maybe wear a caps and sunglasses. If children's in the weather, we can see the weather conditions and we wear the clothes. If will be a sunny day, that time we will light clothes, and maybe some peoples will carry caps and sunglasses to protect them from the suns. Okay, and if there will be a chances of rainfall, that time we carry some peoples carry umbrella and some peoples will carry raincoats. Okay, children's our body needs to protect against extreme weather conditions because weather will be changes by every hour. So children's, we have to be wear a clothes to protect our body, okay, from this different changing of weather conditions. Early men were learned to twist grass and stitch together the hides of animals and fashion covering for this body. Okay, means children's early people will learn to twist grass and stitch together to cover their and the skins of animals that they will cover their body. They learn in the early period will learn. Okay, and after the time will goes on, then the people or the men's will be discover plants and animal fiber that they could spin and make a yarn to create clothes. Okay, and the and peoples will start growing plants as such as cotton and jute and raising animals like sheep and silkworm to serve his clothing needs. Means children's, we use cotton coat clothes, and that cotton we will get from the cotton plants, and jute bags that we carry, that jute also will get from the jute plants. And children, sheep, the woolen clothes that we wear, all these wools will be made comes from the sheep of the fur. Okay, after that sheep fur will be weaving in the machines, and that will convert it into a wool that we knit and make the woolen clothes to cover our body. Okay, and silkworm means children, the silk sarees are made with a silkworm because silkworm gives us the silk. Okay, and children, so this is cotton clothes, this is nylon clothes, and this is lycra costume. Children, so this is woolen clothes and this is silk sarees. Okay, with more developments in clothing technology and artificial fabrics like nylon and rayon were developed. With the times will be developed, children's more developments and are coming with technology, artificial with the development of technology, artificial fabrics like nylon, rayon were developed. Okay, these are the nylon, rayons are the man-made fabrics, and this has many advantages like easy of washing, non-creasing and long lasting. Some synthetic fibers like lycra are stretchable. So these pictures of this lycra are mostly like stretchables and elastic, which is why it is used in making spongy and gear and swimming costumes. Okay, this lycra fabrics mostly people use to make spongy gears and swimming costumes. But children's, however, this artificial fabrics will it is not better, it is better for our skin and bodies, but some people's prefer to wear natural fabrics than such synthetic clothes. Okay, and children's, in additions to clothes giving protections to our body, clothes makes us comfortable and look smart. Children's, not only the these clothes will cover and protect our body, but it also gives us our of gives comfortables, and it looks smart to us also. Okay, we mostly wear clothes in fashionable styles that which are popular. Okay, And children's unfortunately some people's choose to wear some people should choose only to wear clothes that are more expensive because of their brand names than their qualities. Okay, some people's choose to wear only branded clothes, and branded clothes means it is very expensive, but they choose because of the names of their brand and than their quality. Okay, and as long as we feels and good in the clothes we wear, we should be happy. Okay, children's, and children's uniform means is a kinds of dress, okay, that can we can identify a peoples that who it belongs to their which institutes or their jobs. Like we can see policemen and we can see their dress, that time we understand they were from the police departments. Okay, and nurses we can know that they with we can identify them by their dress. And children's also you will wear your school uniforms and you will come to the school by looking your dress. Children's wearing your particular dress, that how that we will identify that this children's will belongs from this schools, and we can identify them that these are they were the school going children's and they were belongs from that schools, that we can identify by their uniforms. Okay,